Welcome back to the DSA, and I am Kathiria Monica from Divine Speak English. We are here for learning practical English for something better in a practical way. And here we are with Sanjay sir of Divine Speaking Academy. And without wasting time, let's learn the English with me. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I would like to ask some questions about this today's practical lecture, that why you bring us and why you just have an idea, from where you have an idea for study with nature.
Yes, this is a nice question. So we are here because of this ambience. You can see that the ambience is pretty cool, and students are also enjoying here. They first time come here, so obviously they have a first experience to coming here, and I also like to be here. I am a gregarious person, so you can see that I like to be with all the peoples and natures, and some of the boys are also coming. Look at this. Take the cameraman outside of this. The nature is pretty. The most important thing is that why I come here, because of the nature. I am the lover of nature, and that's why we are here. I can say doubtlessly this seminar or this class will be the best class as far as I am concerned.
Yes, definitely it will be, because it with the nature, and it give a peace of our mind.
Yeah.
And yes, we are over the boom to start it a vlog
Yes.
with it.
We are over the moon to start the blog, and this is first time happening that in any classes that sir brings student into the garden. First
yes.
time happens, and I am fond of doing this type of activities. I love to make videos in front of students or in front of the cameras. I'm actually fond of doing all this stuff, and I can say doubtlessly, if students are getting used to it, then they will definitely get to know how to speak English. So this is just only for practical knowledge. That's why we are here. Next.
Sure, thank you. How do you feel for bringing us here, and how you get it that nature will help us to learn something new from this, and a practical knowledge too about the English, and the conversation that we are doing in the class and with the nature is quite different from it.
Obviously, it's quite different. That's why I want to make them experience about this nature and everything. They may be tired of learning English in the class, and this is first time they are coming here, so they must be getting something new out of it. So let's see what will happen. But as far as I'm concerned, this must be the best class.
Lecture, I think.
And this must be the best class for everybody, and I'm sure they'll learn many new things by joining this class. And once they are getting used to it, they'll say me that, sir, let's bring to the garden. We want to learn something new. That's why we do this type of activities. One more thing is that Divine Speak English is class where English is spoken.
Yes,
What spoken
throughout
is
English.
is spoken. So for making them speak English, we are here. And I can say doubtlessly in this vlog you will see all the students will try to speak English in front of the camera, and they try to remove their fears. Obviously they are trying to remove their fears. So let's see what will happen. But I am pretty happy. I am over the moon by bringing them here in this garden. Let's see, my class is near by this garden, so we are coming by walking here. So obviously there is a walking distance, and I can say doubtlessly this must be a great joy for all of them, and hopefully this class will be memorable for all of them.
Yes, I think it will be a best thing for us too, that we are attending this nature study with the nature. But yes, it will be best thing I by my side.
Obviously students love it, because students have never experienced this type of things in the past. So this is first time they are experiencing something new, and that's what we are trying to deliver. And this is my duty to give something new to our students, and hopefully they'll acclimatize in this type of atmosphere, and they'll learn something new by getting around these people and everything.
Yes,
Noise
they
is
will.
everything. You need to just stick to with your plans and just try to speak English in front of anyone. Don't worry about anything, whether you know grammars, whether you don't know grammars. Don't worry, just try to join Divine Speak English. Everything will be handled. Sanjay sir will be there. Everything will be handled. So try to speak English in front of the camera. So that's why Divine Speak English is there, and looking forward to helping you everybody who wants to join this English class. Don't forget to join this, and don't wait to join this.
Yes,
They have
surely
already
you have to
started.
join this.
They have already started speaking English. You can see that. She is my student. She has started speaking English in front of the camera. Other students will also join next time.